The choice was between being a run-of-the-mill commercial radio station with Bollywood songs and the usual radio chatter, or maybe like an All India Radio, public radio station with a bit of a nod to the community, and being what we chose to be, which is a truly community radio station where everybody in the team is from the community that we are addressing. We are broadcasting in the dialects of the community. What troubled me the most was when we were starting out, to see how the languages and the stories and the laughter of migrant communities in Gurgaon, in Delhi, were completely missing from mainstream radio. I've not really fallen and gotten up, but yes, I have taken a long break from my career as a print journalist. Fortunately, as a writer, as a journalist, you're able to work part-time, you're able to do freelance writing assignments, which I was also able to do as I was looking after my family and my children, and I was able to continue using my skills. In spite of all the odds, we have been able to continue broadcasting for the last 10 years, 22/7. I've been very lucky in the kind of support I've had right through my life. 3 tips for women, I would say: have a career. Have a group of girlfriends who support you and whom you support. And the third is spend some time, take some time out to take care of yourself. My greatest achievement is setting up Gurgaon Ki Awaaz. To set up a community radio station that is not an echo of a typical commercial radio station, that is a reflection of the community that we represent, of local villagers and migrant workers in Gurgaon, a community that does not find a reflection in any mainstream radio station in the National Capital Region. The quality I admire most in a woman is empathy. I think I've seen a lot of women who are very passionate about their work, who are very ambitious, who are hyperachievers. They achieve a lot, they're very successful. But when I see that combined with empathy, where, and especially when you're at the top of your game, when you're extremely successful, to still keep that quality of empathy, that's what I admire a lot. What I value most is integrity. Integrity in words, in action, in your work, in your intention. It's something I'm always looking for when I'm interacting with other people, other organizations. It's something I'm always evaluating about myself, about our radio station, that every word that I speak should have a certain level of integrity. I should be true to myself and my values and my work. And the radio station should be true to what it is trying to do, true to the community that it addresses. My heroes in real life are the men who support the women in their lives without feeling threatened by them, who support their dreams, who support their careers. And I've seen that in my own mother, who's always pushed me to go out and excel and to kind of live out my dream. And I think these are the people I admire, because I feel this is how men and women should be.